My name is Niels Ulrich Andersen. I live here at Juulsgaard on West Funen, where we run a dairy production. Yes, we have invested in a NIR sensor from Phototechnic, which we have installed on our self-loading feed wagon. Well, what we've gained from investing in the NIR sensor is that we can feed precisely every single day. And of course, that's primarily when we're mixing our roughage, as it allows us to scan it mainly for dry matter. What is especially noticeable when using the feed scanner is that our daily feed leftovers are incredibly consistent. We feed the cows exactly the amount they need and no more. And when we feed precisely every single day, the cows aren't overfed one day and hungry the next, which means we avoid unstable milk production. Well, it's clear that the more consistently you can feed, the higher yield you'll get from your animals. Well, I would definitely recommend that others take a closer look at this and explore the benefits, yes.